Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make your own wish list on the Abercrombie and Fitch app. But firstly, I just wanted to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 followers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the app, then tap on Shop Now. And you can see these clothes, and if you like one, you can tap on it, then maybe choose a color, and on the bottom left corner you can see a heart-shaped icon and tap on it. Or if you would like to make a wish list just like this through scrolling, then you can see on the products box on the right bottom corner also a heart-shaped icon, and you can easily tap on it. You can go to your list like this on the recommendation. After you tap on something on the right bottom corner, you can go to your list. Or easily, if you go in the app on the bottom bar, you can see my list with the heart-shaped icon. You can tap on it, and this is your wish list. That's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.